Dear students, from this video we will discuss about a question from 10th standard science English medium. This question not present in Tamil medium, keep in mind. Unit 18 Heredity, page number 272, question number 3 in Roman letter 5. The question is, a garden pea plant produces axial white flower. Another of the same species produces terminal violet flowers. Identify the dominant trait. This is the question. And once again, watch the last line. Identify the dominant trait. They don't ask about dominant plant. Okay. Now, before we discuss the answer, we should learn the table. This table expresses 7 contrasting characters that was taken by Mendel for his experiment. In this table, the first column expresses seven dominant characters. The second column expresses some recessive characters. How can you say it's a dominant, it is a recessive? This is the answer. This is a question may come from your side. These dominant or recessive characters are already identified by Georg Johann Mendel from his experiment. So we can firmly say these are the 7 characters are dominant. These are the 7 characters are recessive. Okay. In the first line, stem length tall and another one is dwarf. Here the tall is dominant, dwarf is recessive. Likewise, the flower position, axillary is dominant, terminal is recessive. Flower color, violet is dominant, white is recessive. Likewise, the 7 characters are going on. Now, the second and the third characters are enough to discuss the answer for this question. Here, in this question, bears 2 pairs of contrasting characters. One is the axial, another one is terminal. The axial and terminal are indicating the flower position. The axillary position is dominant. Terminal position is recessive. So between the axial and the terminal, axial is a dominant. So I noted here, on the basis of the position of the flower, axial is dominant. Likewise, color of the flower. Here, first plant here express white color. Second plant, that means another plant, express violet color. Between the white and violet, violet is dominant, white is recessive. So we give the answer on the basis of color of the flower. The violet is dominant. Okay. Likewise, the answer is over. So the answer is axial violet. Traits are dominant. Yet, some of the students have another doubt. Sir, how can a same plant have both dominant and recessive characters? Already we see the answer in dihybrid ratio. That is 9:3:3:1. The 3 and 3. The first 3 have capital I, small r, small r. The capital Y is responsible for yellow color, small r is responsible for wrinkled acids. The another 3, small y, capital R. Small y is responsible for green color, capital R is responsible for round seeds. Here you can see both dominant and recessive characters are present in the same plant. Likewise, in our question, axial dominant and white recessive characters are present in the same plant. Okay. I think you understood the answer clearly. If you are satisfied, you can share the answer with your friends and put the like button and give your valuable comments to your comment box and subscribe this channel. Click the bell icon for further videos like this.